To some students, school can be quite the challenge. But imagine a program that makes school feel a little less academic and a little more like home. The ARCH program in Kentwood Public Schools does just that. ARCH stands for Academics, Recreation, Community, and Health. It runs at 14 different Kentwood schools and allows students to focus on excelling at studies in the classroom and connects learning to their everyday lives.
Talk about current events that are going on here and compare it to our country compared to the country that we're studying that week, and see where they stand on their current events compared to where we stand on ours.
ARCH caters to the bottom 30% of students in the school system, and site coordinator Brittany Bain says they carry an open dialogue with both parents and students.
It's a safe place for your kid to go. You know where they're at, you know that they're doing something productive, and they're going to have fun.
Kids are also served lunch, snacks, and provided free transportation home if need be. In order for students to reap the benefits of ARCH, Bain says that it relies upon several factors, one of which is building a strong relationship between students and their leaders.
I tell my leaders when they get hired, I tell them that they're not their friend. So these kids have enough friends. They need at-school adult role models.
At an age where students just want to be part of the crowd, one would think there would be little interest in hanging out in an after-school program. But Bain says otherwise. She explains that the students often know they need the extra help and are willing to take it.
I reference their academic ability and how this could boost it and how they could really benefit from the program of extra tutoring and getting the academic help that they need.
Students here at Crestwood Middle School say the program is helping them academically and socially. They say it's helping them reach goals that they didn't think were possible.
When I was in 6th grade, I wasn't the best as I wanted to be, and now this year in 7th, I got to be on the honor roll.
Bain says even she notices students stepping up their game.
We got the summer school list for the fall list. We have 64 kids total that have to come, and there's only about 10 ARCH kids on that list.
Between the educational learning and personal growth, there is one more important piece of advice.
My classroom was going to be run as where kids were safe and they felt where they could trust the peers and trust the leaders and the adults.
For WKTV, I'm Megan Dooley.